Because for did my time, can you baby? I expected McBrown to have spoken for me. I expected it to. No, I was very, and look, I'm very emotional talking about it because I gave her that reference. I said, Big sis, say, no, because,
MzGee, former United TV presenter, United Showbiz TV presenter. First, they can't say they no be the presenter. Then it be a certain Nana Ama McBrown, your favorite. We all want a favorite. And okay, Nana Ama McBrown self. Who for Ghana here no like him matter, bro? I am here to know a certain Ghanaian person, but usually definitely she has her critics. She has her critics, that I would say, but she don't get trolls, or maybe she has people who really hate them too. Because listen, there will be fair, and you'll be fair. Then I will not say, but Nana Ama McBrown. Then after they left United Showbiz, then he paid a lot of people because not the bad why. Nana Ama McBrown go then leave United Showbiz, UTV then go Unia TV. So he did with Media General and he's doing well. He's doing well. But still United Showbiz is United Showbiz because it is what it is. On our status that Saturday night talk show, you bringing a year now. I'm not for starting. Xylophone, yeah, people start. But people paid so much attention to United Showbiz because of them. Also the pundit and Asamabed was there, Kwame plus day top. Big personalities where they be very highly opinionated. Bulldog. So now what's our show also? Now no. Then like for like 6-7 months now they come to show top. We organize the producers of the show headed by Father Dixon say no, okay, listen, let's bring a finality, a closure to this. Let's bring a solution to this once and for all. Where you go bring a certain MzGee. Then MzGee to then he left multimedia, he left Media General and things where he come there. Then he take the job. People super people almost say, hey, you say confuse where I'm Nana Ama McBrown. She shot the show, so people were blaming her and it took a toll on her. And apparently, according to her, during an interview, she had no hand in it. It was just a pure decision by management of UTV, despite media. Or one of her friend said, Charlie. Nana Ama ube yana also so on the buff in the tree shadanye or your brofolization woman or brofun but she took the job. She believed in herself that she can do it. All she had to do was to learn on the job, tree into me. But Ghana, you never take them, you never accept them because listen, they change. We know they like change like that, especially for a person like Nana Ama McBrown, where people like I'm saying favorite. She's the favorite of politicians, favorite of boxers, favorite of the low-life people, the low class, the middle class. They're everywhere. That is the reason why, she they get brand deals almost everywhere. And brand deals, a category from entertainment to fashion, to lifestyle, to real estate, to food. In brand deals, bro, the whole Ghana, nobody sent brand deals past Nana Ama McBrown, and it is fact.
See. And for the sake of reference, and I don't know, Yasha's my favorite Reb Eskin catching that. Or say, and these are his words, and that thing kept me going for a very long time. Or say, don't stop. And you won't have a problem, no. People have their own biases. And you won't have a problem. And comfort her with or more margin. Or say, my people from back, says, yeah, I'm back the same thing. And you won't have a problem, no. So I think that Ghanaians. And individual human beings actually, change is a big thing for us. But you see, also when change comes, then you begin to look back. Oh, maybe this, maybe that. And again, men take heed of the fact that I was filling a shoe of a superstar. I have never done movies before. Even if I have never been popular through movies. What you say? Acting in my activity, but me popular through movies. No, be a me and I enjoy onuni movie. What you say? Na onuna kunyamu na mbabe fini. Even if that space is not her strength, she had a strength that she was bringing on board, which is the fact of the matter. And see, you don't expect say obi idol, why idolizing for a long time now? Who they never knew you from Adam, because don't also mistake the fact that some audience on YouTube was getting to see me for the first time. Because this is the first time I'm working on account media. And see me in Bragi, so English media, no one and shemi. And see, and people felt that me na my too on idol free so. And I want to say this on record today.
Fact. This is fact. And MzGee admitted that going for that job, no, she wanted to clarity. So she reached out to McBrown. Listen, sis, your friend say me benye adwuma yi minim se wona we wo so kra me hwe wo. Iti minim den na ekoso. We free mu na say asake wa. Che me dia wom. And I say, okay, listen, my sister, I have moved on. And I am the miniature baby. Okay. And MzGee say, okay, now that you've moved on and I've been called, then I can fully go and do the work. But please give me your blessings. Your blessings will assure me that you have left the place in peace and you have no bad blood between yourself and management of United Showbiz. And she confirms that McBrown gave her the green light. Now, Ghana for Sopan say, hey, we the main reason why Nana McBrown was sacked. And I said, like, okay, the way Ghana for it didn't attempt no. She expected one thing to happen. Say a certain Nana McBrown will reach out to us and Nana McBrown way. They say the cost into the woman biano. Ghana for to say Mimi Nimushe, but me baby na your friend say I should respond to the call. And I got a job and I want to do it. Nana McBrown got here. And no one said Ghana for super baya. And so I was like, okay.
And I want to say this on record today. Look, and when I was told, Semime hosti United Showbiz, one of the first things I did, and say McBrown Beckham cry. It's a DM, so it's a message I can always pull up. I sent her a DM, I sent her a text. I said, big sis, I'm told that show we hosti biom. Inti yes me hosti. MzGee insurance free unsem. And some naso. I'm saying it on record. In forwarded my time, can you my baby? I expected McBrown to have spoken for me. I expected it to. No, I was very, and look, I'm very emotional talking about it because I gave her that reference. I said, big sis, say. No, because, and kaban kran poa. And can you me say? Because I gave her that reference. I said, oh, big sis. This, and she said, oh, I give you all my blessings. It's just nice to say, oh, this girl is not a problem. If I have problem with management, I am not your problem. Exactly, but you let me out there for people to rubbish me, say me free. Oh, Romeo, I learned a lot of lessons from hosting United Showbiz. I won't take it for granted.
You didn't attempt, sir. Into no, or no, dear, yeah, Pastor Nana McBrown. Oh, and me bound came to you for your blessings and you watched on. You watched on for the entire Ghanaian people to disrespect me. What is my offense? So she almost cried during a conversation with Nana Romeo on United Showbiz on OKFM. She almost cried. Said, Nana McBrown, you watched people to disrespect me, to rubbish my integrity, to rob me just because of a job that I was coming to do. What is my offense? Nana McBrown, you have been quiet all this while. And you would say, I don't know, because they are not a question. When them say Nana McBrown will do this to her, and Nona, what you want to say? You see, Nana Romeo had to console and empathize with her and comfort her and encourage her, and make her feel like, oh, bro, and you're ding, and easy. Now, Nana McBrown, we are waiting to hear a response because Nana McBrown, on her show, she would definitely come out and speak. She would definitely come out and say, MzGee can say, when in baby, many a Ghana for, when I say media, say, may say, internet, me power chow, MzGee, so we power chow passer, man can be a name, when in baby, when they see, and I'm about that's how she will react. The end cafe. Hey, we know the one people now. We know what we know there. You know them. All right. So, what do you also have to say? Because Ghana for Nana Kasa, people actually sided and empathize with MzGee on this one. So please, what do you have to say with regards to what MzGee has said about Nana McBrown and the whole controversy surrounding Nana McBrown's exit from UTV? You be slower. So subscribe here. me a subscribe button. Do you want to see more of this? If you want to see more of this, go to the comment section and hit more in the comment section. I'll see you again in the next one.